First, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1350 pixels canvas. Go to Upload. Add your image. Remove its background. Select the background. Click on Color. Choose Gradient. Change color of gradient. Choose Linear Gradient. Duplicate the color. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your first letter. Go to Fonts. Search Archivo Black. Choose this font. Scale font size. Place it on top left. Send it to backward. Adjust its position. Duplicate and change letter. Make it uppercase. Adjust its position. Duplicate and add more letters like this. After this, duplicate image and overlap it on the first one. Now, crop the image and keep only hand to make pop-out effect. Duplicate image and do the same for legs. After this, duplicate image again. Click on Edit, then go to Duotone. Click on Custom, change highlights to black. Then open Blur, select whole image, set intensity to 50. Next, click on Transparency. Set it to 70. In this way, you can create shadow of any image. Now adjust its position. Go to Position. Send it to back. Adjust its position again. Now, crop the shadow and duplicate. Crop out leg and adjust its position. Send it to backward. Go to Position then Layers. Select the shadow and duplicate again. In same way, create hand shadow. Take a new blank page. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your text. Go to Font. Choose Archivo Black. Change font size to 250 pixels. Make it uppercase. Place it top of canvas. Duplicate and place below the text and so on. Now select all the text. Reduce its transparency to 5. Group them. Go to Photos. Search Black Sand Halftone. Add this photo. Rotate it -90 degrees. Reduce its transparency to 50. Next, go to Position then Layer. Now select both text and photo. Copy it. Paste it to first page. Go to Layers. Drag and place it just before the background. After this, go to Elements. Search Pink Glow Light Shadow. Go to Graphics section. Add this element. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate and place one above. Duplicate and place another one below. Now, select all and group them. Go to Position then Layers. Drag and place it between text and halftone. Go to Elements and search Pink Lightning. Go to Graphics. Add this element. Go to Color. Change its color to match with your image. Adjust its size and place it on hand. Select the hand part, bring it to front. Go to Text, add a subheading. Type your text. Go to Fonts and search Horizon. Choose Horizon Hollow. Change its size to 25 pixels. Go to Spacing. Set letter spacing to maximum. Adjust its position. Click on Effect. Apply Hollow Effect. Set thickness to 30. Our design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.